Can we get it done? That's really the remaining open question. We won't know till we're there and working with our international partners, because a very important point is that you can't control or stop the virus in Liberia if you're not controlling it in other areas in West Africa where it's occurring. It's really a regional outbreak now. It's not an individual country. I think it's very important that one more thing be strongly considered by international organizations and by our own government in terms of most effectively trying to control this outbreak in the region of West Africa. And that is that there needs to be an international coalition focused on the common enemy, the Ebola virus.
If this virus keeps replicating and keeps infecting more and more people, you are going to give it more of a chance to mutate. So the best possible way that we can take that off the table is to actually shut down this epidemic. And what we do, as I always say, a virus that doesn't replicate doesn't mutate.
As to what we ought to be doing to be of assistance. Since assuming her office in October of 2010, Ms. Limborg has led DCHA teams in response to the...
It's a very comprehensive package that the President has announced at the CDC yesterday. So if we implement that, which I believe we will, I hope we will, I think there's a very good chance that it's not going to happen tomorrow and it's not going to happen next month, that we are going to turn this around.
With Ebola, became the first person to receive the experimental drug ZMapp and the first person with Ebola to be treated in the United States.
Ebola is a scourge that does not even allow its victims to die with dignity. Most of them suffer a lonely, horrifying death. I came to understand the extreme physical and emotional toll that Ebola inflicts in an even more personal way when I was diagnosed with Ebola virus disease on July 26th.
Workers face an epidemic that threatens to defy control. The lack of diagnostic techniques and insufficient supplies of safety equipment have put